People of Waka village opposes deconstruction of Manipur University of Culture at Waka in Imphal East. Polling for the 7th and last phase of Lok Sabha election concludes successfully. Polls are now 60.21% recorded till 6 p.m. And Vice President of NEIDP Manipur State, O. Malay, states that the only reason for deficiencies in every space of the state is due to dependence on national parties. Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari bringing you the top stories. First up, people of Waka village oppose the construction of Manipur University of Culture at Waka in Imphal East. Speaking to media in a press meet held at Manipur Press Club today, President of Waka Youth Club, Mayang Lambam Bishma, stated that in 1969, the then Manipur Darbar reserved huge lands, including the area where Manipur Culture University is planned to be constructed, and some parts of forest for the villagers of Waka for their livelihood and to preserve the environment. He added, villages never stand against the plans of the government in constructing the university from most parts of the reserved lands. However, the government never notified the villages in taking permission for forest clearance of 38 hectares of land from Ministry of Environment and Forest and Climate Change for construction of the university. The president asserted that the villages repeatedly apprised the authorities concerned to reserve 8 hectares of land for the villages out of the 38 hectares of forest. He added, as the government failed to fulfill their demands, the villages resolved not to allow construction of Manipur University of Culture at Waka.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯅ ꯂꯝꯄꯥꯛꯇꯨꯅꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯤꯅꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯣ ꯑꯇꯩꯗꯤ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯂꯧꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ MLA ꯁꯥꯍꯦꯕꯅ ꯂꯧꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯂꯧꯔꯣ ꯁꯥꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯁꯥꯈ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯃꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯁꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯖꯒꯥꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯀꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧ ꯗꯔꯕꯥꯔꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯄꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯖꯒꯥꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯂꯣꯟꯅ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯔꯝꯗꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯀꯦꯂꯦꯟꯁ ꯇꯧꯅꯦ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯔꯤꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯜ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯚꯤꯂꯦꯖꯔꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯈꯤꯗꯦ ꯁꯥꯏꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯇꯦꯕ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯕꯥꯛꯁꯨ ꯁꯥꯒꯅꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯕꯥꯛ ꯁꯥꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯈꯤꯕ ꯏꯅꯈꯤꯕ ꯗꯣꯀꯨꯃꯦꯟꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯦꯕ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯟꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯁꯥꯎꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯣꯔ 10 times ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛꯁꯤꯝ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯌꯥꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯀꯜꯆꯔꯦꯜꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯄꯨꯡꯊꯤꯡ ꯊꯤꯡꯒꯠꯂꯒ ꯁꯥꯍꯜꯂꯒꯨꯝꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ ꯈꯜꯁꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯝꯕꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯔꯦꯞꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯟꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯂꯧꯔꯛꯄꯅꯦꯕ.
Vice President of Northeast India Development Party, NEIDP, Manipur State, O. Malay stated that the only reason for deficiencies in every space of the state is due to dependence on national parties. He stated the same at the membership enrollment of newly elected members of 21 Nauriya Pakhanglakpa Kendra NEIDP committee held at the residence of O. Malay in Kwakaithel today. Speaking in the event, Malay stated that our state was once an independent and autonomous state. However, after the merger, our state administered with meager sanctions from the central government and people are not able to use its own resources. O. Malaysia further asserted that the central government even failed to set up any industry which can provide jobs for unemployed youths. Instead, industries which was once set up by the regional parties during their reign remains non-functional. He further urged people to support NEIDP. Maintaining that more than 1,000 people from the constituency will be enrolled in the membership enrollment program today, the Vice President further affirmed that the committee will reach more than 10,000 members in short span of time.
Shubham Khangdabagi, Akoina Nasi, Lilibase, Nasi Akoina National Party, the Akoina Surubadagi, National Party Wakalda, Lairubadagi, Nasi Akoina, Waribase. Haloru Dragadi, Nasi Akoigi, Sarkan, Nasi Hingbangam Dribase, Nasi Akoigi, Wakal Selitabani. NEIDP, Pandamdi, Imung Amada, mi ama thabak piban Manipur gi people singda sahi manga da suk soi soi dana khoi anau mangal ama khoi soi dana ugane ba akhoi gi Manipur da su resource mayam ama khoi lai ri ba sana thoi lupa thoi chromite thoi punamak thoi ba hai ba policy akhoi na ngasi yengjan bi de ba akhoi gi regional party MPP na industry mayam ama linkhalami Congress na BJP na ngasi industry sing si muthali ba sini pol
Secretary of Manipur People's Democratic Front S. Samungo stated that issues of mob justice in the state is due to unavailability of a reliable government. Speaking to media in a press meet held at Manipur Press Club today, Samungo mentioned the various issues prevalent in the state and asserted that the state government failed to solve the issues on time, which in turn people lost their faith on police and court. He added the people must choose their leaders honestly and wisely as they are the one who will work for the betterment of people. As Samungo appealed not to trade votes. He further added that Manipur People's Democratic Front will initiate a poster campaign called Stop Mob Justice all over the state from May 26.
Police की moral से कदा इधर लेकर गया है वैसे दी police department पाई रिबा home पाई रिबा minister खंगने बा अरोई तारी सरकार से जिकिन नतना 1972 हाई तारे ने अदुदगी ना still now government से good governance वही दे दी थोले बा mob justice से सीनसु यामना लाइरबा अदुम खुदम अमने अदुना mob justice थोले बसे good governance लेते बदगी नी सरकार ने good governance लेबा मतलब मधुदाइदा police department दा थाजा बल्ले रबा अदु होता रगदी mob justice से थोक तो बिया
Proscribed outfit Kanglai Park Communist Party Military Council's military affair in a press release stated that Catholic school Kanchipur authorities, including the teachers and others, will be termed as their foe as the school stood against the group. KCP MC further asserted that the proscribed group does not blame the school on void reasons but acted as per the complaints of the guardians of the 3 students. The proscribed outfit further blamed religious activities and construction of churches inside any institution under Catholic Education Society Manipur and further urged to execute admission processes regardless of religious background. JAC against brutal killing of Kunjamayum Arun Maitai and the people of Bhamon Kampu apologized to the CJM Imphal East judge and further seek for forgiveness to all Manipur Bar Association regarding yesterday's incident happened at Imphal East CJM Court Complex. Speaking to media, JAC's secretary Rajiv Thangsabam stated that advocate Nabachandra allegedly used inhuman words and the police on duty ordered lathi charge to the innocent people of Bhamon Kampu and even ordered to open guns to the people. Human chain was also formed demanding release of the 13 arrested women during the unfortunate incident yesterday. The JC further demand justice for the unfortunate incident as well as for the case.
Ngarang Megi Tarik Tara Nipan, CGM Imphal East Thokiba Thodok Adu, Advocate Nabachandrana, JC Amadi, Bamon Kampugi, Miamda, Mihad Asigi, Tawai Chakna, Kamna Ringa Tanjada, Akanba Atiba Wahi Wata, Nganglaga, Polista, Miambu, Pazalu, Latisas Salu, Nongway Power Capsulu, Haibana Chingba, Loinana, Priestman Amabu, Hauri Pairaga Pugi Tawiki Thodok, Tokiba, Lebak Tiba Thodok, Adudagi Tokibani, Haina, JC Maikadagi, Tamjage, Rangi Thodok Adu, Imphal West Police na, Lampel Court Complex Ki Geta, Miam Changmat Athingba, Tamlam Lagadi, Tom Dabayaba, Thodok Amani, JC Maikadagi, CGM Imphal East Court Ki Judge Lan Kre, Haijari, Loinana, All Manipur Bar Association, Bu, Bamon Kambugi, Prajasing Tokiba, Lebak Tiba Thodok, Adubu, Waro Bidanaba, JC Maikadagi, Amukana, Haijari.
Unknown miscreants blasted bomb at the residence of Jennings neurosurgeon Dr. Khongban Tabam Vyas in Thangmaiban Kondram Selung Balaikai of Imphal West District. The incident occurred at 10:43 p.m. yesterday and there is no report of casualties. A team led by Imphal West District SDPO Amarjit inspected the area this morning. Speaking to media, the victim family stated that there were no reports of enmity nor any demands from any group or individuals and further urged to clarify the matter at the earliest. acting on a tip-off regarding illicit activities going on some hotels in Imphal City. Imphal West Commando team conducted cordon and search operations at hotels in Thangal Bazaar and Pongna Bazaar today. The team, under the supervision of Additional SP Operation Imphal West Police Aribam Ghanesham, carried out search drive at Hotel Avenue, Hotel Niranj Lodge, Polo Inn, Hotel GM and Hotel Embassy from 11:30 p.m. to 12:20 p.m. 1 man and 1 woman were arrested during the drive from Hotel GM. They were handed over to City Police Station for further investigation. Yeshkul Neighborhood Watch Committee in a press release urged the owners of shops and stores at Yeshkul Radha Madhav Mandap to Chingakham Lerak areas to close their respective shops before 10 p.m. starting May 19 in view of the recent incident. YNWC also warned of legal action failing to abide by the notice. The press release further urged Meira Paibi and civil society organization of the state to look into the matter. A symposium on Manipur Sahitya Academy awardee Ilangbam Dinamani's Life and Literature was held at the Hall of Manipur Dramatic Union Yeshkul MDU Hall today. The symposium was jointly organized by Art and Culture Department and Writers Forum Imphal. A journal entitled Sahitya Gi Pao was also released during the event. Speaking to media, President of Writers Forum Imphal, Lamabam Birmani, stated that the symposium was held honoring the works of late eminent writer Ilangbam Dinamani.
GC Tongbra, Koi Hanam Pung Kanare, Maki Matana, like Masing Pai, Yamna Pumba, Lariki, Mogun Laiva, Dugumba, Lari Putopa, Eva Mahaiva Targadi, Oja Dinamnisi Oi, Maki Kui Sinda, Saying da, Wari Machada. Symposium da Pagi yaw de ihuldo adu kayam yawbagi habdo puthona bagi damakta akhui mayam changna honamina bani dinamni di saying sui lila sui translator su oi wari macha sui mana phangiba Sahitya Academy Award si wari macha da phangbani aduna mak si khoina singtha ba ya ba mipa mani hana lojeraga symposium si puthokchaba.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on observation of 36th International AIDS Candlelight Memorial Day 2019. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. Secretary of Nirvana Foundation, Ms. Sobha Sorokaiman, stated that the only way of elimination of HIV/AIDS from the state is to erase the stigma from the people. She was speaking on the 36th International AIDS Candlelight Memorial Day 2019 held at Nirvana Foundation's office at Kurai Tinsit Road. Speaking in the event, Sobha further asserted that stigma leads to hiding away of the disease and hinders the elimination processes.
HIV/AIDS ka sagun lai ba chino myam se mogi rights myam se koina phangan ba ana numitsi sta koina koi grassroots level imong the awareness program tawraga HIV/AIDS ka sagun na lai ba chino myam se mai rights myam se fight to han ba mokoi su mogi right myam se aware han ba aduga punna akoi Manipur se HIV free oiba samaj ama orakna na bagi mayong da changchan jarakpan Kai lekai da laiba HIV ga sagon na laiba isino myam se handana yang bigano mokoi gi laiba issues myam se puthok piro every district da hojik treatment aise lairabni na aduda puthok piraga treatment se to holaga punsi se marek ma hau thokna ro samaj se sa yamna fruitful oiba yam contributing oiba citizen amoina mayam na honna miraga Manipur dagi HIV free oiba samaj ma plap honna mina se
Manipur Network of Positive People MNP Plus organized 36th International AIDS Candlelight Memorial at office of the organization in Yeshkul Hiruhanba Laikai today. Floral tributes and candlelighting session for those who passed away due to HIV/AIDS marked the event. Speaking in the event, MNP Plus President L. Deepak stated that the event was held with an aim to root out HIV/AIDS from the world. He added, throughout the state has at least population in India, it has topped the list of people living with HIV/AIDS. L. Deepak asserted that amidst such situation, the government still failed to fulfill the inadequate staffs of Manipur AIDS Control Society, which is responsible for HIV/AIDS control in the state. He further asserted that people living with HIV/AIDS are still shunned and looked down, though various campaigns are held to support them, which in turn leads them in wrong ways.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛ ꯀꯨꯟꯊ꯭ꯔꯥꯒ ꯇꯔꯨꯛ ꯀꯨꯟꯊ꯭ꯔꯥꯇꯔꯦꯠꯇꯪ ꯂꯩꯖꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯤꯁꯦ 30ꯗꯒꯤꯅ 40,000 ꯐꯥꯎꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ HIV ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯇꯤꯚ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯝ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄꯒ ꯀꯝꯄꯤꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ became the highest state in the country ꯑꯃꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ state AIDS control society-ꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯅꯥꯒꯥꯂꯦꯟ ꯒꯣꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯐꯁꯤ ꯍꯦꯜꯂꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗ ꯃꯤ 90 ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯍꯥꯡꯉ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯚꯦꯀꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯔ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯡꯉꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ vacant postings hapsinbiyo so that vacant postings yamkhalagadi they can reach out to all the nook and corners.
Polling for the seventh and last phase of Lok Sabha elections concluded successfully. Polling in this phase took place for 59 constituencies spread over 7 states and 1 union territory. Voting took place for 13 seats each in Uttar Pradesh and Punjab, 9 in West Bengal, 8 seats each in Bihar and Madhya Pradesh, all 4 constituencies of Himachal Pradesh, 3 in Jharkhand and the lone seat of Chandigarh. Over 10 crore voters will decide political fortune of 198 candidates, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Ministers. The Election Commission set up more than 1.12 lakh polling stations and deployed security personnel to ensure smooth and peaceful polls. However, polling in Madhya Pradesh and West Bengal witnessed violence with crude bomb thrown at many places. And in poll turnout, 60.21% recorded till 6 p.m. Counting of votes will take place on May 23rd. Audition of Miss and Mrs. Globe India was held at Gold Gym Singjamai for the first time in the state. Audition of Miss and Mrs. Globe India is held at different parts of the nation on the theme Campaigned Against Human Trafficking, Let's Make a Plea to Set Them Free. Selected candidates will compete at national level for the beauty pageant organized by Subha Mangalam Events.
Miss and Mrs. Globe India 2019 Manipur audition si Manipur di han ba oina sinbani human trafficking je khoina pamjadabana maram oiduna khoi beauty pageant gi through dagi causes mayama tawraga khoina khoi gi haugalargi ba huji pamjari ba nupi macha sing amasung yum palibi nupi macha mogoi singda aduma platform am pina bagi damakta tawjaba adugumba beauty pageant ni sidagi mo khoina Manipur dagi khangatlaga hairiba moise Delhi da mu 20 day 29 da June gi moina Manipur represent tawraga India gi mu compete tawgadaba aduga India gi compete tawra matungda maduda mu taragadi international gi amu akhoina mathang amu sillaga hairiba platform ji pijeba haitare.
Manipur State Cooperative Bank Employees Association accorded a warm welcome to Managing Director of Manipur State Cooperative Bank Limited, Ahanthem Subhas, upon his promotion to IAS post. The event was held at the Conference Hall of Manipur State Cooperative Bank Limited, All Assembly Road today. Speaking in the event, General Secretary of Manipur State Cooperative Bank S. Biren lauded the contributions of Ahanthem Subhas since he served as the Managing Director of the bank and further urged for his support in upgrading the bank in the future too. In the event, Ahanthem Subhas also assured of extending relentless efforts and unending support for the bank. Coronation of Kuman King Pham Thadokpa was held at Ningthau Khong's Radha Mandap, organized by Radha Mandap Seba Committee today. The tradition has been prevailing since 1803 and the Hindu title of the Kuman king, Kala Raj, was given up and changed to Kuman Ningthau by the following traditions of our ancestors. R.K. Jiten was coronated as the new Kuman king in the ceremony. Now the sports news. Arrangements are all placed in for semi-final matches of 3rd Hero Indian Women League. In a Group 2 match played at Guru Nanak Stadium in Ludhiana yesterday, Manipur Police Sports Club defeated Bangalore United FC Karnataka by 10-0. For the winners, NG Bala scored 6 goals at 3rd, 15, 16, 23rd, 59th and 78 minutes, and H. Daya scored 2 goals at 21st and 36 minutes, while S. Reena Roy and M. Mandakini scored 1 goal each at 58 and 74 minutes. In the last match of that Group 2 match, Sethu FC Tamil Nadu beat Baroda FA by 7-0. For the winners, Sandhya scored 4 goals at 14, 37, 39 and 86 minutes, while L. Asalata Indumukhi and N. Ratanbala scored 1 goal each at 42nd, 75th and 84 minutes of the match. 12 teams divided into 2 groups are competing in the tournament held under the aegis of All India Football Federation hosted by Punjab. Gokulam FC Kerala will play against Manipur Police Sports Club in the first semi-final, while Sethu FC Tamil Nadu will lock horns with Central SSB Women's Football Team West Bengal in the second semi-final match tomorrow. Thangmaiban Kendra Development Organization Takdo organized a felicitation program for gold medalist KH Grabita and Marina Golmay at Kuyathong Community Hall today. It may be mentioned that KH Grabita bagged a gold medal in 4th India Open International Taekwondo Championship 2019 held at New Delhi's Tyagaraja Stadium, and Marina Golmay bagged a gold medal in state-level yoga competition. MLA of Thangmaiban constituency KH Joy Kishan, co-operator of IMC Ward number 1 Gaidong Kamai, and Vice President of Thangmaiban Block Congress Committee RK Sana Yaima attended the event. Kanglei Sports Academy, Kanglei Shah, organized a felicitation program at Kiamgai Haibong Makong ground for the players who bagged medals in Budokan Karate Do at 4 different national and international championships. Vice President of Kanglei Shah, Professor Joy Kumar Leshemba, Working President of KYPC, Kiamgai, KH Inauba, Founder Principal of Imphal Public School, A. Kennedy, and Principal of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, PH Landhoni, graced the event. Altogether, 36 players who took part in 36 Budokan Karate Do India National Karate Championship 2018, South Asian Sports Championship 2018, International Sports Championship 2019, and 4th Northeast Sangai Budokan Karate Do Championship 2019 were felicitated by Kanglei Shah. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. People of Wakha village opposes the construction of Manipur University of Culture at Wakha in Imphal East. Polling for the 7th and last phase of Lok Sabha election concludes successfully. Poll turnout 60.21% recorded till 6 p.m. And Vice President of NAIDP Manipur State, O. Malay, states that the only reason for deficiency in every sphere of the state is due to dependence on national parties.